Hey guys, I'm Anand, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your own custom emojis for your Discord server. So without further ado, let's get into the video. And obviously the links of my Discord server are in the description. You can always join. So this obviously works with Photoshop as well, but I'm just going to use a website/app called Pixlr E, and the dimensions should be 128 by 128. Now over here you can make whatever you want, and this is completely your choice. All the colors and all the letters and everything. I'm just going to make a circle with XDION written on it, as you can see right here. Now right now if you're zoomed in, it will look really pixely, but it's actually pretty good and normal for an emoji. Now you have to save this and then go to your Discord. With this arrow button, go to server settings, then there's an area called emojis under roles, and then you just need to upload the picture which you used to make the emoji, and then you can rename it anything. I'm just going to rename it XDION, and well, you're done. You can use it in under your server's name right here, as you can see.